Hi children, how are you? Today we are going to discuss the lesson from village to Delhi. From village to Delhi. That means someone is going from village to Delhi. How we will go from one place to another place? By using some transport facilities. By using different types of transport facilities, we will go from one place to another place. Yes or no? Like that only. Now in this lesson, someone is going to Delhi. See who is that going? Ravi Prakash was very happy. Who was very happy? Ravi Prakash was very happy. See why Ravi Prakash was happy? See here. His drawing titled Villagers Traveling on a Bullock Cart won a prize. Why he was happy, Ravi Prakash? Because his diagram won a prize. Got a prize. What he drew in that villagers traveling on a bullock cart. That's why he got a prize. So that's why Ravi Prakash was very happy. He was going to Delhi with his uncle Venugopal to receive the prize in a program to be held on Children's Day. He was going to Delhi. Now who was going to Delhi? Ravi Prakash was going to Delhi to receive that prize in the program held on Children's Day. He has to leave his village Tandoor for Delhi on the 10th of November. When he was going to Delhi, he should on the 10th of November he should leave his village Tandoor for Delhi. Now see how he used transport facilities to reach Delhi. See here. Traveling by bus. Which facility is using now? Bus. Bus transport is using now to reach the Delhi. It was Ravi Prakash's first visit to Hyderabad. Now Ravi Prakash was going first time to Hyderabad. A bus leaving for Hyderabad was at the bus stand. Shall we go in that bus, uncle? Asked Ravi Prakash. See, it was Ravi Prakash was going first time to Hyderabad. No, there was bus already there which was going to Hyderabad. Means Ravi Prakash asking his uncle, shall we go in that bus? Uncle is asking. Now Venugopal said, this is an ordinary bus. This is an ordinary bus. It is also called Palle Velugu. What we are calling? See, you can observe here two bus pictures given. See, one it is in blue color and one is green color. So it is an ordinary bus and it is an express bus. Ordinary bus is also called as Palle Velugu. So Ravi Prakash is asking, shall we go in this bus, uncle? Uncle what is telling? It is an ordinary bus. We will go in an express. What is uncle telling? Uncle telling we will go in an express. Why not in this bus? Asked Ravi Prakash. Ravi Prakash was asking, why we will not go in this bus? Why we should go in this express bus only is asking. See, why did Venugopal say that they would go only in an express bus? Why did Venugopal say that they would go only in an express bus? Why he told that? Why Ravi Prakash uncle told that we should go only in an express bus? Because express bus goes very fast. It doesn't stop or in every station. It stops only in specific stops only. Ordinary bus stops at every stop. Express bus stops at specific stops only. So Venugopal, his uncle said that we will go in express bus only. Discuss in groups. Write the differences between an ordinary and an express bus. See, you can see what is the difference between ordinary bus and an express bus. Ordinary bus stops at every stops where the passengers want to get out. Here express bus only stops at specific stops only, and it goes very fast. So that is the difference between ordinary bus and an express bus. Find out and write about the other types of buses. See, what are the other types of buses we have? We have super luxury, Indra, Garuda, so many buses. Now, what are the details seen on a bus ticket? Whenever you are traveling, you will take ticket, no? You can observe many things on the ticket, yes or no? On that, what you are observing, children? You can see the time, cost of ticket, date, and from where to where, place names. These all are seen on the ticket. Do you know nowadays tickets are being issued by machines? See, now machine is given. You can observe in bus whenever you are traveling. You can observe by using this machine only. They are giving tickets nowadays. This is called TIMS. What we are calling this machine as TIMS. What we are calling TIMS. TIMS means ticket issuing machine system. Ticket issuing machine system. The problem of tearing and punching of tickets is not there. See, before how they used to give, they used to tear the tickets and punch on it, then only they used to give the ticket. But nowadays they are using this TIMS machine, ticket issuing machine system. See, problem of change. The bus stopped at a station. They were traveling by an express bus, no? Ravi Prakash and his uncle. That bus stopped at a station. Many people alighted and some people boarded the bus. One of the passengers gave rupees 500 to the conductor for the ticket. See, many people got down from the bus and some people boarded the bus. One of the passenger gave 500 rupees. How many rupees? 500 rupees for the conductor to give him ticket. The conductor asked for change. See, whenever we are also traveling, conductor will ask no for change, for sufficient change. Like that only here also conductor is asking for change. He said that he did not have any change. He did not have any change. Ravi Prakash read the notice written in the bus about change. What he is doing, Ravi Prakash read the notice about the change. You too read that notice. See, one notice is there in the bus. What is that? Read, children. Tender exact change for the ticket and cooperate with the conductor. That means you should give enough change to the conductor and cooperate with the conductor. See, think. Why should we carry exact change with us? Why should we carry exact change with us? Because everybody is giving notes, means how that conductor can give change. So if some or the other should carry change with them. What are the other instructions written in the bus? What are the other written instructions in the bus? You can observe, give respect to ladies. Again, no smoking. See and write them in your notebooks. Do you know TSRTC, that means Telangana State Road Transport Corporation, run buses in our state. Who is running buses in our state? Telangana State Road Transport Corporation run buses in our state. Different types of buses like Palle Velugu, Express, Deluxe, Luxury, Semi-Luxury, Super Luxury, Garuda and Indra are run by TSRTC. See, different types of buses are run by our state. Reservation facility is available to book the tickets in advance. So, reservation facility is available to book the tickets in advance. To travel in the bus, online booking facility is also available. Online booking facility is also available to book the tickets in advance. 10% concession is given to the people having Vanita and Navya CAT cards. CAT means Common Admission Test. See, those who have Vanita and CAT cards, 10% discount is also given to them. Challenged persons can also avail the concession. Challenged persons means disabled persons can also avail, can also get this discount. Those who are not disabled persons also given discount. It was amusing to look out of the window. Whenever you are also traveling in the bus now, you will also look out of the window. Like that only Ravi Prakash also looking out of the window. How he is feeling? Very pleasantful. When the bus was moving, even the trees seemed to move. See, whenever the bus is moving, how you will feel? The trees also are moving with us. You feel like that. Like that only Ravi Prakash also feeling like that. At the next stop, two officials checked the tickets of all the people in the bus. What happened next stop? Two officers came to check the tickets, whether all the people took the tickets or not. Think, were you ever checked while you were traveling? See, you people were also traveling by bus now. See, anytime like this, officers came to check your tickets. Now, what happens if you travel without a ticket? What happens if you travel without a ticket? Fine is given, yes or no? First, fine of rupees 500. Otherwise, they will send you to prison. Now, what other things should not be done while traveling by bus? What things should not be done? You should not keep your head outside. You should not keep your hands outside, or you should not throw the things while the bus is moving. These things you should follow whenever you are traveling by the bus. Do you know traveling without a ticket is a crime? Yes, traveling without a ticket is a crime. A fine of rupees 500 or 6 months imprisonment or both may be levied. What is without ticket you are traveling means what they are giving punishment? They are sending you to prison, or you should pay the fine of rupees 500 if you travel without ticket in bus. The officials got down after checking for tickets. What happened? The officers came now to check down tickets. They got down after checking the tickets. The bus started again. Ravi Prakash kept his hands out of the window. What did he do? He kept out of the window his hands. The conductor saw this and asked Ravi Prakash not to keep his hands outside. What is telling? The conductor asking Ravi Prakash not to keep hands or head outside of the window while traffic signals. All you know traffic signals, yes or no? You learned in your previous classes. The bus stopped at the Hyderabad bus station. The bus reached now which station? Hyderabad station. They were going to Hyderabad only. Ravi Prakash and his uncle were going to Hyderabad only. Now they reached to Hyderabad. Ravi Prakash and Venugopal took an auto to Secunderabad railway station. Now what they were using? Which transportation facilities they are using? They are using an auto to Secunderabad railway station. Ravi Prakash observed that the auto stopped at red light. What he is observing? That auto stopped at red light, started at yellow light and moved forward at green light. He also observed that the people crossed the road only on the white lines drawn on the road. See, you know traffic signals means there are three signals: red, yellow and green. Red means to stop. Yellow means yellow forward, green lights means to go. This while seeing this auto also followed these rules. Venugopal said that these lines are called zebra crossing and people cross the road at zebra crossing. See here you can observe here these lines, zebra crossing lines where the people were crossing on the road. See, that lines are called zebra crossing lines. He noticed that a policeman in white uniform helped the people auto slow down at certain places due to speed breakers. What he noticed? He noticed that traffic policeman is helping the people to cross the road. Auto also slowing down wherever there is speed breakers. Discuss in groups. What happens if there are no traffic signals? See, if there are no traffic signals means what would happen? More accidents would have occurred. Yes or no? Why are there no traffic signals in villages? Why there are no traffic signals in villages? Because in villages we have only less people. Yes or no? In cities means we have more people, more vehicles, so more accidents occurs there only in cities. So in villages less people, less traffic. So that's why traffic signals were not there in villages. Why do traffic jams occur? Traffic jams. So all the vehicles comes on road. So that's at a time. That's why traffic jam occur. What rules should be followed while going on the road? What rules should be followed while going on the road? While going on the road, you should see each side, both sides. Then only you should cross the road. Again, you should not eat on the road whenever you are crossing the road. You should cross the road only at zebra crossing. This whenever you are walking, you should walk only on the footpath.